All right, in this video, we're gonna reset the maintenance light on a 2018 Toyota Camry. Start your car. When everything comes up, you're gonna see where it says maintenance required, go see dealer. You don't have to see the dealer. All right, so you're gonna hit this button right here. It's gonna bring you over here. If you use these arrows here, up and down, you'll see the different settings. Go down to where it says vehicle settings. Go all the way over until you come to change vehicle settings. Press the OK and hold it. When you do that, it's going to come here. Arrow down to schedule maintenance. Going to hit OK. It says you want to reset the data. You arrow up to yes. Select OK. You have just set your oil light maintenance light on your 2000 Camry without going to the dealer.